Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily open PDF on Android TV. So method 1, using a file manager application. What you're going to do is you need to install a file manager application. On your Android TV, you need to open Google Play Store and then search for File Manager. You can also type Explore File Manager or File Commander if you can't find File Manager here. After that, once you found it, you have to install the application. Once installed, you can now transfer your PDF file to the TV or Android TV. You can use a USB drive, external hard drive, or cloud storage. Could be Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive to move the file. If using USB, plug it directly into your Android TV's USB port. If using cloud storage, sign in via the File Manager application or File Commander. Once done, you can open the PDF. So navigate to the PDF file inside the File Manager. Select the file. If prompted, choose Google Drive PDF Viewer, WPS Office, or Adobe Acrobat if installed. That is the method number 1. The method number 2, using a PDF reader application, you can just basically install a PDF viewer. So from Google Play Store on your Android TV, search for WPS Office, Adobe Acrobat Reader, may require side loading if not listed. Then you can now install the application. After that, access your PDF, open the PDF application, locate your file from internal storage, USB or cloud, and then tap to view. As easy as that. So if your Android TV's Play Store doesn't have a certain PDF application, you can sideload the APK using a USB drive and APK installer application. For frequent PDF viewing, pairing a wireless keyboard and mouse will make navigation easier. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.